What's up guys, I welcome you back to this channel. My name is Ayaan and we are running episode 8. We shall look at method number 2 on how you recover your tool palettes if they are missing. Let's jump into the tutorial. Here we are in Autocad and you see no command line. Let's recover it. Press Ctrl+9 if you have activated this model space by clicking in Ctrl+9. You have it. If you need to close it, you close it from there, and it will give you even the method of Ctrl+9 here. So if I say yes, it will go away. Another way, if you don't know Ctrl+9, and the cheapest way is to type command line, then click that one. So command line pops. That is recovered. Now let's go to the ribbon. To get ribbon, type ribbon and come to this ribbon down. So ribbon is recovered. If you need to close it, still you type ribbon and this time you hit ribbon close. So our interest is to have it back. Let's go to the ribbon and we have them. These are the keys. There are many videos on how to show you that. Check the playlist and you can go about them. Now, if you need another method on how to recover the tool palettes, I will drop a link in the description about it and also link for the full playlist for this AutoCAD learning. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.